This is a piano tutorial on the Beatles tune 1M64. This is in the key of B flat, so you got a couple of flats you got to watch out for in the melody. I'll show it to you here as a soloist, and I'll give you the fingering for the right hand. You're going to start with your thumb on D, and you've got to go over with your third finger like this. So it's 1, 3, 1. Second finger on that F. Then you've got to get your third finger, I believe, on that B flat. Then you've got this thing where you're doing. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 over with your third finger. Second finger like that, thumb on A, fifth finger there, and then you do it again, 1, 3, 1, 2, fifth finger there, third finger, second finger, you know what, to your third finger there. C. No, do your second finger there. Fourth finger on D flat. Then lift it up and third finger on B flat. Fifth finger on D. And then the second section here, you start on G with your thumb. Fifth finger on F. Down to third finger on D. Fifth finger on G. Let's see, fifth finger on G. And then lift your thumb, fifth finger, put that on D. And then fourth finger on B flat. And then it does the same section again, 1, 3, 1. Third finger on that. Fourth finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 1. Fourth finger on that D. Kind of chromatic thing there. 1, 3, 1. Fifth finger D. Third finger. Second finger B flat. Fourth finger there. Third finger. Fifth finger. Third finger. Kind of tricky. So, what you want to do when you've got something tricky like that is write the fingering in above your note. That way it'll remind you to do it that way each time and you'll learn it quicker. Then you've got your chords in the left hand. First chord is B flat, and I'm going to do it like this because my melody's right there. So it's D, F, B flat. F7, F, A, C, E flat. B flat there, F, B flat, and D. B flat again. E flat there, E flat, G, B flat. That's a G flat chord, G flat, B flat, D flat, B flat, F, B flat, D, G7, D, F, G, B, C7, E, G, B flat, C, F7, F, A, C, E flat, B flat. here on this. That's a D, G, B flat. And it goes back and forth between D, this is D, F sharp, A, G minor, D, G, B flat, and then D7, D, F sharp, A, C, G minor, D, D7 again, G minor, C minor, C, E flat, G, E flat, G, B flat, F, F, A, C, B flat, D, F, B flat, and then it repeats it, B flat, F7, B flat again, and then you got to go down with your B flat because of the melody note there, D, F, B flat. That's B flat 7, D, F, B, A flat, B flat, E flat, G, B flat, G flat, which is G flat, B flat, D flat, B flat there, F, B flat, D. There's G7, D, F, G, B, C7, E, G, B flat, C, F7, F, A, C, E flat, B flat, F, B flat, D. So kind of tricky, but it's a fun song. I'll always work on hands alone and then put the hands together. This is what it sounds like when you're all done.